welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'll explain you about the lenses and some of the types of lenses. First of all, let us know what is meant by a lens. Lens is a transparent medium which is having at least two surfaces, among which at least one surface is curved. Means first of all, lens is a transparent medium. So it is a transparent medium which is having two number of surfaces. Among which at least one surface is curved. At least one surface is curved. So overall we can say that lens is a transparent medium which is having two number of surfaces, among which at least one surface is curved. So from the third point we can say that every lens is having a single curved surface. It can also have two surfaces, but one surface must be compulsory, that is the two curved surface. So this is called as lens. By this we can confirm that every lens will have at least one curved surface. To the types of lenses, it is having lenses are of two types. They are number one, concave lens, and number two, convex lens. So first, coming to concave lens. Before I explain you the definition of concave lens, first I will draw the diagrams of concave lens. The concave lens can be represented with this diagram, and the convex lens can be represented with this diagram. So for every lens, this part is called as, the bottom part of the lens is called as marginal ends. So for concave lens, these are the marginal ends, and for the convex lens, these two are the marginal ends. So together with the marginal ends, there is also another part called as central portion. So the central portion is nothing but the center, the exact center part of the lens is called as central portion. So this is the central portion of concave lens, and this is the central portion of convex lens. So now I will give you the definitions of both concave and convex lenses. So this is concave lens and this is convex lens, and I had labeled the both marginal ends and central portion of the both the lenses. So we can define concave lens by, it is a transparent medium whose marginal ends are thicker than their central portion is called as concave lens. Is nothing but this marginal ends of the concave lens are thicker more than the central portion. So coming to the convex lens, in convex lens these marginal ends are not thicker than the central portion. We can say that the central portion is thicker than the marginal ends. So concave lens, a type of lens whose marginal ends are thicker than central portion. Here the marginal ends are thicker than the central portion. Now convex lens, a type of lens whose central portion is thicker than its marginal ends. This is called as convex lens. So we can define both concave and convex lenses like this. Friends, still there are another four types of lenses. They are plano lens, equilens, bilens, and the fourth type of lens do not have any specific name. I will explain why it is not having a specific name. So first, coming to plano lens. Plano lens is nothing but a type of lens which have one plane surface and one curved surface. Plane surface is nothing but like this, and curved surface is nothing but like this. This is a plane surface and this is a curved surface. So a type of lens which is having one plane surface and one curved surface like this, such type of lens is called as plano lens. So this can be called as plano convex lens. Why? Because this curved structure is similar to the structure of the convex lens, so it can be called as plano-convex lens, and we can draw plano-concave lens like this. This is plano-concave lens. Here there is one plane surface and this is a curved surface, and this structure is similar to the structure of the concave lens, so we can call it as plano-concave lens. Now coming to the second type. So the second type is equilens. Equilens is nothing but it is having two similar curved surfaces. It is having both curved surfaces and they are similar, two similar curved surfaces with equal radii of curvature. Now first I had forgot that in a plano lens we have seen like this and like this. Here the radius of curvature as it is a plane surface, the radius of curvature will be infinity. We have to remember that the radius of curvature for any plane surface is infinity, and the radius of curvature of this curved surface let be r1, and the radius of curvature of this plane surface be r1, and the radius of curvature of this curved surface be r2. We have to compulsory mention this radius of curvatures while drawing a lens. So coming to equilens, it is having both curved surfaces and they are too similar. And so if we take the convex lens, it will be like this. They are having two curved surfaces. This is one curved surface and this is one curved surface. If we join both, then it will become like this. So it is having equal radii of curvature. So we can indicate by R and R. And coming to concave lens, we can draw like this. So this is one concave surface and this is another concave surface. It is also having equal radii of curvature R and R. Now coming to the bilens. Bilens is also having two curved surfaces, but the radius of curvature, radii of curvature is different. See, if you observe, this is a curved surface and this is also a curved surface, but it is having more radius than this part. So we can name it as R2 and R1. And here coming to concave lens, this is a curved surface and this is also a curved surface similar to this, but here this radii of curvature is less than this. So we can say that the radii of curvature is different, but the structures, the curved surfaces are similar. So here we can indicate this radius is R1 and this radii is R2. Now in the equilens, this lens is called as equiconvex lens. And this lens is called as equiconcave lens. So in the bilens, which is having different radii of curvature, this lens is called as biconvex lens and this lens is called as biconcave lens. So there are only one difference between this equilens and bilens. Both of them are having two curved surfaces and both of them are having the radii of curvatures, but in the equilens the radii of curvatures are equal and in the bilens the radii of curvatures are different. So this is the difference between both equi and bilens. Now I will explain about the fourth type of lens. To the fourth type of lens, it do not have any specific name. So we know that this is a convex lens and this is a concave lens. These are the both type of lenses. Convex lens and concave lens. So it do not have any specific name because we can call it as convexo-concave lens or concavo-convex lens. If I ask you a question that what is the name of this lens, either convexo-concave lens or concavo-convex lens, we can't answer for this question because in this lens there is no direction of light given. If the direction of light given in this manner, first the incident ray or the light ray hits the convex lens, so then as it is hitting convex lens first, it can be called as convexo-concave lens. If the direction of light ray or the incident ray is given like this, first it will hit the concave lens, so it can be called as concavo-convex lens. So it depends on where the light ray, on which lens the light ray is hitting. So first the light ray, if the light ray hits the convex lens, it can be called as convexo-concave lens, or if the light ray hits the concave lens, it can be called as concavo-convex lens. So this is about the fourth type of lens. It do not have any specific name. So these are about the 4 types of lenses. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.